Welcome to Grunden Tract 2. This remarkable piece of land has 640 acres of productive Nebraska grassland in the heart of Lincoln County. This well-managed property combines excellent grazing, abundant wildlife, and long-term investment potential, making it an outstanding opportunity for ranchers, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The ranch is situated approximately 8 miles north of Curtis, 10 miles northeast of Maywood, and 30 miles southeast of North Platte, providing convenient access to shopping, dining, healthcare, and other essential services. Gently rolling hills are covered in healthy native grasses, while extensive cedar tree removal has significantly improved forage production and expanded the ranch's usable grazing acres. Reliable livestock water is already in place, with a windmill supplying 3 strategically located stock tanks in the southern portion of the ranch. A dam provides additional water, and the seller is willing to offer a well-sharing agreement, giving the new owner access to neighboring wells that can supply 2 additional water locations on the north end of the property. Beyond its agricultural value, this ranch offers outstanding recreation. Healthy populations of elk, mule deer, white-tailed deer, wild turkey, pheasants, and bobwhite quail make it an exceptional hunting property. The rolling prairie, quality cover, and wide open views also create the perfect setting for horseback riding, hiking, camping, and exploring western Nebraska. Whether you're expanding your cattle operation, investing in quality land, or searching for your own hunting retreat, this Lincoln County ranch is ready to deliver for generations to come. For more information, contact Cooper O'Connor or Cord Hesseltine, or visit us at HaydenOutdoors.com.